This is our series in Mexico. We put everything in storage, packed our bags, and bought a one-way ticket. Our plan is to explore and eat our way through this beautiful and diverse country. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified when a new episode drops. San Miguel de Allende is known for many things. It's a popular tourist destination, and for good reason. Beautiful pastel buildings, the history, the famous church, and the gardens. But if I'm being completely honest, we were here for the local food and restaurant scene. We started out our evening on a taco and tequila tour. We met some cool people, learned some fun facts, like there's 47 fountains in this town. We discovered some new restaurants, had some fun cocktails, ate a huitlacoche taco in a bar owned by Louis Vuitton, and even tasted a local favorite, the hottest taco cart in town. But here's where our taco tour got infinitely cooler. When we were trying teludas at Salon, Oaxaca, we were introduced to the owner, Mario. He teaches cooking classes and offers mezcal tastings, so obviously we signed up. Fast forward 2 days, and here we are. Today he's going to teach us how to make a traditional Oaxacan Molé, but also this is his amazing restaurant, which I highly recommend.
Well, welcome to Salon Oaxaca. This is a restaurant in San Miguel de Allende. Well, I'm from Oaxaca. I moved here 5 years ago, and as soon as we came, we opened the restaurant. And yes, we are cooking black mole, the traditional way. It gets almost 40 ingredients to take it.
Yes, you heard that correctly. 40 ingredients. Moles are complex, and their history and folklore goes back to the time of the Aztecs. Some are believed to have over 100 ingredients. We are at the local market, and we're getting all the ingredients to make mole. Every mole is different, and where Mario is from in Oaxaca is known as the land of the 7 moles. They all vary in color and spice. The recipes and techniques have been perfected over time and are meant to be followed. So what I didn't realize is when you came to these markets, you're actually supposed to ask for help to grab things. I haven't grabbed anything, but I would have.
Yeah, it's super handy.
Well,
just to give them.
You can literally be like, I'm looking for this, and they'll seek it and give it to you. We spend the next 20 minutes or so wandering around the different stalls, gathering spices and chilies and what seems like an endless list of things that are all amazing on their own. I just can't wait to start putting them together. Today, Mario is going to be teaching us how to make mole negro, considered to be the most complex of all, usually taking days to prepare. He explained to us that it is most traditionally served at important celebrations like weddings and christenings. Originally, the entire community would collaborate to provide the ingredients and prepare the many steps. It literally took a village. This bakery's been open for 120 years and it's run by the same family.
It smells good.
We go through the ingredients one by one, and as Mario points out, there is one very prized chili that makes this mole so special. This one chili is more expensive and hard to find outside of Oaxaca. So unless you're in Oaxaca or know it's been flown in especially, your mole might be a fake. We start by chopping all the vegetables to make the stock, and our base starts to come together, and may I add, it smells heavenly. Next up is what I think is the most interesting step. I don't think I've ever seen this in any mole recipe that I've ever attempted at home, and possibly this is why I'm yet to have success. We're going to take the seeds from the chilies along with our corn tortilla and make an activated charcoal. Nothing goes to waste here, and it's beautiful to watch.
Woods and rodeo, we're jumping, kicking, flying through the air like a domino. Oh, Carolina's got class. Oh, make your worries pass as you move your
I don't know, like every ingredient has its own process of being cooked down before it's combined. I think that's probably the most unique thing.
Just surrender to fight. Said we don't need to see all that is wrong. Just that you.
So we just put the chilies in some lard, and as soon as they hit the heat, I'm like,
Sorry.
it's almost like they rehydrate. Like,
Yeah, and you got chili smoke.
yeah.
Said we don't need to fight to survive. Just surrender.
We've been cooking and toasting and preparing the final ingredients, and now it's finally time to combine them all. Mario uses this machine in his restaurant for coffee, but today we're going to use it to macerate our mole. He's very patient as he adds everything in and combines it with our chicken stock to make a puree. The smell alone is like a siren and will make you ravenous. I see why he wanted to pick up some cinnamon rolls at the bakery earlier. This process takes all day, and I advise you not to do it on an empty stomach. Back inside, everything returns to the stove. It's time for the mole to thicken and darken.
A tambourine in a crowd of girls. Said we don't need to fight to survive.
Just gonna be stirring this for like 40 minutes until it darkens.
It's better than working out.
Yeah! It's been a real treat to see someone so passionate about where they come from and have such a big appreciation for their heritage. We are so thankful he took the time to show us the real mole, not an abbreviated version made with, gasp, a mole paste. I knew this dish was complicated, but Mario's knowledge made the day fly by. Oh, and it's all about the quality of ingredients, and you really have to earn that mole. This is so good.
Yeah?
It really is.
Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Hello?
Cheers. Salud.
We don't need to fight to survive. Just surrender to fight.
You started coughing yet?
No. I'm not gonna do it.
Feel this that are hard at work, texting and stirring.